Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited to show you guys this. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. So you first need only two apps, and that's Canva and iMovie. So let's go ahead and click onto our Canva app, scroll up to the top, go to presentation. Okay, because girl, I just can't believe, oh my God, I'm just so excited. So you're going to click blank canvas, and then you're going to click the background and choose the color green. Make sure it's like a lime green, because this is what we're going to use to key out everything. Yep, we're gonna play with some green screen with our phone, y'all. So then we're going to go to stickers, type in frame, and click on camera roll and choose your desired photo for this. Okay, make sure you tamp around with it so you can get it perfect to your taste, to your liking, girl. Because okay, I ain't gonna be ghetto with this. I ain't gonna be too ghetto, but I'm excited, y'all. Oh my God, I'm excited. So I'm just adjusting my photo, and sometimes when it messes up, you guys click the undo button and everything will be back to normal, easy peasy. And I'm just going to align this up, and also I took it up a little further above. I lined it up, then I'll take it a little further up, just because I know we're going to be adding our name or logo. So after I place my photo, now I'm going to go in, and I'm just tighten up everything just a little bit more. Okay, now we're going to go into stickers, and I'm going to type in drip, drip, drip. Okay, we're going to type in the drip, and then I'm just going to tilt the drip over to the side. Okay, just turn the drip over to the side. So girl just swimming in drip. All right. I just love this right here. It just looks so nice, and it's so simple all at the same time. So after placing this animation onto the video, I'm going to go in and go back to stickers again and type in circle. And no, crown, my bad. Look, I jumped ahead. So now I'm going to type in crown, and then I'm just going to make it my desired size, and then I'm going to place that. Jumping on to circle now. Scroll down. And honestly, y'all, I was just going to get a simple circle, but when I saw this, I was like, okay, I need to add this somehow. So I just played around with this until I got it to how I like it. And that's what I like. That is the goal of this video. So y'all will see how great Canva is. And you won't be afraid to try out and make your own thing. I'm basically just showing you mine, so that way you can go on and, make like a bird and spread your wings and make your own type of video. Just bring your own flair to things, okay? So I clicked on to the circles, and as you can see, you'll see it working its way towards the back because it has layers. So I'm just clicking that back button or down button for the layers, and this is going to push everything to the back like I want it. So I'm typing circle again, and then this is where I'm going to grab that simple circle, because I just felt like, oh, I just needed something a little bit more. So I grabbed that, and then I grabbed another circle. I know y'all like, she is just circle obsessed. Yes, honey. So, and I basically change the color to white, place that on top, make sure that it aligns right, and I bring that to the back. And you may be wondering why. It's because when you do the green screen, you don't key out your face and everything. You want everything to look nice, and you want your colors to be true. Okay? So now I'm just basically picking out the font. I like taking it from the design and then deleting an element, not the group, but an element, because I like to take it from there because it lets me know how it's going to look before I click on it. So it gives me an idea. So I went for this font, and I'm lining it up and playing around with the size. As you can see, I'm centering it. Looks great. Okay, going into iMovie now. Click the plus, click movie. Yes, girl over there doing her back bend over there. Okay, so y'all, oh, I just have to point that out. I had to download that as my inspiration because I'm like, I need a body like that. That's goals. Back to the video, y'all. So I'm basically I picked out a pink. You can do this while you're in Canva. Pick out a color you would like, screenshot it, do whatever you need to do, upload it, download it, save it onto your phone as an image, and then place that image down first as photos with the plus. Then we're going in. As you can see, I'm adding this video on top of there. And y'all can see I clicked the 3 dots. I know this video is going super fast, but I clicked the 3 dots and it'll take you to green screen. Click the green screen and it will key out everything green. I'm clicking on the side here and I'm adjusting the strength. You can see when I do the strength too high, my skin becomes very pink. And then when I do it low, it gets me to the right skin tone. So play around with it because sometimes it will affect your video and how it looks. So play around with the strength, delete it, add it back, do all that good stuff. And when it says what color you want to be transparent, click on the color that you want to be transparent, which is clear. So, and then you can do it manually if it doesn't do it automatically, if that makes sense. Okay. So I'm just going back to Canva here because in case you make any mistakes, you can go back and change it. So I'm just going back and I'm changing the pink font that I had before to white. I know y'all probably saw it was white before, but I didn't record me changing it to pink. But pink was a bad idea because pink was going to be my background. So that was crazy. And as you can see at the video, I couldn't settle because the font is black now. So basically, when you get your Canva, do not delete it. Save the project, do whatever you need to do. So that way you can always go back and correct and play around with it and get it to your liking. And that way you don't have to go and repeat these same steps, which will be very frustrating. So I'm backing out of that. I done finished everything. And then I'm saving the video as 1080p, or you can save it as 720p. Is your preference. I'm going for 1080. Here, going into my photos, looking for the video. I can see it's starting off late. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag that clip all the way down and I'm going to cut it because I don't want all that fluff. Okay, y'all, so that's the beginning. That is part 1 of this video. You guys can extend the background and you can add whatever you want to add for the next clips. But this was the beginning, and hopefully you guys felt like this video was very helpful. And if you would like to see more videos like these, please let me know. If you would like to see a part 2 on subscribe, comment, and clicking the bell, please let me know down below, okay? And don't forget to like and share. Love y'all, and I'm see you guys in the next one.